Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I use my pressure cooker to make some of my favorite dried legumes. So my go-tos are usually white beans, chickpeas, and green lentils. To me, they're pantry staples because they seem to last forever in my cabinets, as well as being budget-friendly, and they are a great addition to any meal. I put them into my soups, salads, rice bowls, burritos, and sometimes I even turn them into dips. For example, the white beans are great for white bean hummus, and the chickpeas, of course, are also great for chickpea hummus. And with the Instant Pot, it's super quick and easy to cook them up without having to hover over the stove. So let's get started. For the lentils, we'll start with 1 cup of lentils, 1½ cups of vegetable stock, and a clove of garlic. Pat it down and make sure all the lentils are covered by the liquid, and then cook for 9 minutes and immediately quick release afterwards. For the chickpeas, add in 1 cup chickpeas and 4 cups water. Aromatics are optional here, as I like to use mine for hummus, so I hold off on them at this stage. Cook under pressure for 45 minutes and natural pressure release for 15 before quick releasing. And finally, for the beans, I do 2 cups of dried navy beans, 6 cups of water or vegetable stock, 1 clove garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Cook for 25 minutes, and then when done, natural pressure release for 10 to 15 minutes before quick releasing. And that's how I use my pressure cooker to cook my dried legumes. If you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for new videos weekly. Again, if you're looking for the printable versions of these recipes, you can find everything linked down below in my description box. Until next time, bye! Okay, so don't judge me, but sometimes when I'm lazy, I'll just eat them on their own.